to the dentist. I don't want my tooth pulled.
This movie is funny.
Yeah.
Just a few. Yummy! One more. One more.
Mia! That's too much candy!
Don't tell Mom. Ah! Please?
That's not right.
What are you two doing?
Nothing. Done.
Did you brush properly?
Yes. Drink water first. I want soda.
Water is better.
But soda tastes good. I can do it. Don't use your teeth. It's faster. But you'll break your teeth. Come on. Ouch. Are you okay? I'm fine. No! Mom will make me go to the dentist. Please. Go away. Aren't you hungry? I'm not very hungry.
Does your mouth hurt?
No. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Everything okay?
Just sleepy. Mia, your turn. Oh. Okay. Aren't you eating? Maybe later. Your tooth still hurts. Don't tell Mom. Mom can help. No! This will help.
Mia, what's wrong?
Nothing.
Tell me what happened.
Please don't.
I think she's hiding something. I'll talk to her. It's getting worse.
Smile. Just smile.
Mia, can I help?
I'm okay.
This needs treatment.
Please. No dentist.
Hello. This is Mia's school.
I won't go. No!
I have to hide. Mia left the school. What? We'll find her. Mia, please answer.
Don't find me. Mia is scared. It hurts. It hurts.
Mia?
Where are you?
I don't want my tooth pulled.
Are you lost?
No.
Your face is swollen.
Dad! This is Mia's.
She's close.
They can't take me. They'll never find me here.
Mia.
I'm sorry.
We won't leave you alone.
I caused this. I'm sorry. Will they pull my tooth?
Let's talk to the dentist first. Hello, Mia.
I can't.
Hello, Mia. I'm here to help.
Will you pull my tooth?
Can you help me check Dino's teeth first?
Really?
Really?
Look, nothing happened. It's a comfy chair.
I'll stay beside you.
Promise?
Promise.
Just open a little.
Okay. The tooth is badly damaged. But we can save it.
You're not pulling it?
Not today.
Teeth are strong, but they need good care.
I should have listened to the dentist and brushed.
This will help your tooth sleep.
I can do this.
You're doing great.
That's it? I told you. You did. Your tooth is safe now. It doesn't hurt anymore. I'm sorry I hit it.
Thank you for telling the truth.
Being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. It means facing your fear.
I'm sorry. Next time, we'll tell Mom together.
Ready for a 7-day tooth challenge?
A challenge?
You were very brave today.
Thank you. No more candy mountains. Definitely not. No more. I was scared for nothing.
Hiding the problem made it much bigger.
I know. I don't need all of this anymore. These help your teeth stay healthy. I'll choose these instead. Don't stop early. 2 whole minutes.
Great job.
Teeth are not tools.
Oh, use these. They're much safer. Thanks. Day 1 is finished.
Water wins.
Cheers. Next time I'll tell you right away.
I'll always help you. Good night, healthy teeth. Healthy teeth need healthy habits.